The new Pool Blaster 1500 has been engineered specifically for the pool service professional. Over 8 years of research and development makes the Pro 1500 one of the most reliable and powerful pool vacuums available. It works without filter connections, cords, hoses, pulleys, drive motors, and other complex parts that wear down. The unit is virtually maintenance-free, with few moving parts. It's designed for years of reliable pool cleaning. The new vacuum head attachment is exactly what you need to clean pools faster and easier than ever before. The wide 19-inch vacuum head has been designed to be flexible to help you clean deep in the corners and cracks of the pool. And you'll love how simple the Pool Blaster 1500 is to operate. Just add a rechargeable battery, attach a telescopic pole, and turn the unit on. Each battery will last up to 1 hour, giving you hours of use with multiple batteries. The Pool Blaster Pro 1500 gives you power to clean large leaves, twigs, and acorns. It also cleans small particles like sand, silt, and hair. The vacuum has 3 different reusable filter bags: the all-purpose bag, the sand and silt bag, and the multi-layer micro filter bag. These filters clean pool water of dirt and debris and are easy to clean. Just rinse with a garden hose and you're ready to tackle the next dirty pool. In the time it takes for you to set up one of the other vacuum methods, you could be done cleaning with the Pool Blaster Pro 1500, the smart choice for your clients' pools and spas.